guys play again tonight. Please do not cheat, or else you will be out. Hey, Vagin in here! Hey guys, welcome back to the Tannerites. And today we will be playing Mr. Wolf. What time is it?
Oh.
Yeah!
Before we get started with this game, guys, look down to your left. If you haven't subscribed, it will say subscribe down there. Push that button and give us a thumbs up. Let's play this game.
How you play is there's one wolf. They cannot face you. You ask what time it is. They will say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or 4 o'clock. And that's how many steps you will take of the number of o'clock they say.
O'clock. So this should be the wolf. Look at this guy.
Whoa, Gigo.
You look like a cat, actually.
No, I look like a wolf.
Oh, you painted yourself up to be like a wolf?
So I'm a wolf.
So we should let Savannah, since she knows the rules, should we let her be the wolf first, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Savannah, you get to be the wolf, and we will go back to the line, and let's get this started.
Savannah, I think you forgot a rule.
Oh yeah! If the wolf says dinner time, he will come and chase you, and you guys are trying to come up. These guys are trying to come up and tag me, and they will be the next wolf if they come and tag me.
Oh, did you hear that, Gigo? That's how you become the next wolf. And last rule, no cheating.
No cheating.
Let's go, wolf.
Come on.
No, I'm supposed to stay here. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 3 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 2 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
4 o'clock.
Oh!
Who got me first?
I got you first, but I'm gonna give it to Canyon. Let's see how well he does, should we? That was an easy game. That was a fast one.
That was good.
I actually think I saw this guy cheating. There was like 3 or 4 steps.
Eagle.
And you know what? Charlie came and stole our line while we were playing.
Okay, go to the line, everyone.
You can also say dinner time and you can come tag us and then we'll be the wolf. Whoever you tag.
Oh boy, you look like a mean wolf. Remember how to play? Okay, here we go.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 3 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 2 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
2 o'clock.
Oh! As is the wolf.
Right here.
Did that scare you at all?
I don't know if I said this, but you can also say dinner time and you can go tag them.
Oh, dinner time.
Yeah, you can say dinner time and
Remember
you
that
can go
part?
tag them.
If you think they're getting too close, you can say dinner time. You can run and tag one of us, okay?
Okay. I know what I'm going to say. Oh. This is going to be
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
4 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
Dinner time!
Hey, he's past the line. You can't get him. It's me and Mommy. It's me and Mommy. You gotta... Oh! What happens now? Oh, Mommy's the wolf.
That was crazy. Charlie decided he wanted to get me. Maybe we should let Charlie be the wolf. 3 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, you two cheated. Get back here.
I said 3 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
Dinner time.
Guys, last round was terrible because there were cheaters. Please do not cheat or else you will be out. We need to do a new strategy.
Okay.
I cannot listen to their strategy or else I will be cheating.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
3 o'clock.
He's so quiet.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 4 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 2 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? Dinner time. I got Lizzie. Mother, may I?
No, it's not Mother, may I?
Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 4 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
2 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 4 o'clock. I got you, Lizzie.
Oh.
Oh.
But since I've already had 2 turns, I'm gonna give Canyon my turn.
Oh, Savannah's giving you her turn.
Savannah's gonna give
You hear
her
that?
turn.
Okay, you are the wolf.
All right, Canyon, let's see.
Are you ready?
Mother.
It's not Mother, may I?
Guys, it's not Mother, may I? Sorry.
Turn around, Mr. Wolf.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. And you can look.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 2 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 2 o'clock.
You can't look, you cheater.
Hey, cheater,
Cheater, turn around right now.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
2 o'clock.
Okay,
You can do the turn after Daddy.
it's my turn. Get back there, all you little, what are they, mice? I'm gonna share a secret with you. They're gonna get eaten. All of them. So if I'm the wolf, then what are you? Oh, they're sheep. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm ready. The wolf is ready.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
4 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
1 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
Dinner time! Is that what a wolf does to a sheep? Oh, the real wolf!
Very good, Johnny.
Okay, are you good? You're okay?
Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 1 o'clock.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
1 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 1 o'clock. Wolf, Mr. Wolf, what time is it? Look!
The wolf is attacking! Oh no, he's getting attacked by sheep now too!
It's the last round. I'm gonna get him so close and then eat them all. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? 4 o'clock.
wolf. What time is it?
2 o'clock. Mr. Wolf, what time is it? Dinner time!
She missed me. Now she's a bucket-headed wolf. Okay, that wore me out. What do you guys think?
So fun.
My heart is pounding.
That was the first time our family's ever played this game, and it was so much fun. Who was the best wolf?
Charlie.
Charlie was the best wolf, but what person, what human was the best wolf, guys?
Me.
Tell us in the comments below.
In the comments below. Let us know in the comments also if you want to see us do this game again. We had so much fun. We love you guys, and as always,
You are and I eating cookies. Goodbye. This time, let's play again tonight.